Hello everyone, this is my review of the Benbodes hair clipper and beard trimmer grooming kit. The kit comes with multiple attachments, which makes it really versatile whether you're trimming your beard, cutting your hair, or cleaning up around the edges. The clippers themselves feel powerful but still smooth when cutting. The blades glide through hair without pulling or snagging, which makes the whole trimming process quicker and more comfortable. It's easy to get a clean, even cut, even if you're not a professional barber. Another feature I really like is the cordless, rechargeable design. It's convenient not having to deal with cords while you're trimming, and the LED display lets you see the battery level so you know exactly when it needs charging. The kit also feels comfortable to hold. The handle provides a good grip, making it easier to control when shaping a beard or trimming around the neckline. Overall, this grooming kit is a really solid option for anyone who wants to maintain their hair and beard at home. It's versatile, easy to use, and saves you trips to the barber for simple touch-ups. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one grooming tool, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.